everyone, and welcome back to the Car Insight. Today, we're setting our sights on the future with the 2025 PoleStar 6, a stunning all-electric convertible. This sleek Swedish machine promises open-air thrills and eco-friendly performance. Buckle up, and let's see if it delivers. The PoleStar 6 is a head-turner. It boasts a sleek, aerodynamic design with a flowing silhouette and a muscular shoulder line. The signature PoleStar daytime running lights are prominent, and the retractable hardtop seamlessly integrates into the overall design when down. This isn't your grandpa's convertible. PoleStar incorporates sustainable materials throughout the exterior, showcasing their commitment to eco-friendliness without sacrificing style. The interior of the PoleStar 6 is a masterclass in minimalist luxury. Sustainable, high-quality materials create a sophisticated and comfortable environment. Clean lines and a focus on driver ergonomics dominate the space. A large central touchscreen controls most vehicle functions, while a digital instrument cluster keeps you informed. Thankfully, PoleStar seems to have struck a balance between digital convenience and physical buttons for essential controls, a plus for those who prefer a tactile driving experience. With the top down, the focus is clearly on enjoying the open air and the connection to the environment, a perfect blend of electric performance and a luxurious open-air experience. The PoleStar 6 is expected to pack a serious punch. Rumors suggest a dual-motor setup with a potential output of over 800 horsepower. That translates to exhilarating acceleration and a thrilling driving experience, all while producing zero emissions. PoleStar is known for its focus on handling and driver engagement, and the 6 is no exception. Expect a car that corners confidently and delivers a dynamic driving experience, even with the top down. While exact range figures haven't been confirmed, estimates suggest a driving range of over 250 miles on a single charge, enough for most weekend getaways or scenic coastal cruises. The 2025 PoleStar 6 is more than just a beautiful convertible. It's a statement piece, a powerful electric vehicle that prioritizes open-air thrills and eco-friendly performance. So, what do you think of the PoleStar 6? Does this Swedish electric drop-top pique your interest? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more electric car reviews.